All right, break it up.
Timer starts now.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's hot. All right.
Go.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Sky Top.
So today we here to see everybody doing this
It's one chip challenge.
one chip challenge.
And I'm nervous though.
We about to take all 6 of them.
I know you lying.
I know. The back of the
I
box.
don't even want to eat this one. Okay.
Taco Bell. First off, Taco Bell hot sauce get me.
Right. Yes. All right. So this chip, guys, is hot. All right. So Evan called me over. Elvo, he was like, "Hey, I need somebody to do this with me.
Yeah.
I gotta get my boy in here." And you know, I'm like, "It's Elvo. I'm gonna stick by my brother."
I can't struggle by myself. Can't struggle by myself.
But you know, I got here and I saw this chip box. All right, and that's what stood out to me first. Okay. First of all, Elvo pointed out the fact that it was a coffin. Now I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Now you want to walk us through what's on this chip box?
Death. Okay, that's the first word. Death. Do not
Okay.
If you are sensitive to spicy foods, I said Taco Bell hot sauce got me.
Taco Bell hot sauce got Elvo. So I'm nervous. Okay.
I want to take a quarter cone of the chip. I'm taking a cone.
A corner.
Nah, I can't cheat everybody like this that's watching. So I'm gonna take a whole chip.
Take a whole chip.
But then at the bottom, it then it say, go to the hospital if you got difficult breathing,
Yes.
fainting,
Yes.
or
Extended nausea. That
I never
bothers
fainted in
me.
my life.
I never had nausea in my life, but
Only time I can't breathe walking up the stairs. The only time I have a hard time breathing.
and then look, you don't want to leave this part. Okay, it says keep out of the reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap.
So I got the gloves.
We got gloves, guys. So we're gonna run y'all through all the ingredients, but we just wanted to show y'all the situation we got ourselves in. And it says seek medical assistance if you experience difficulty
breathing, fainting, extended nausea.
There you go. So I'm nervous, but
let's see what we got here today. You go on your side. What you brought?
all right. So Elvo got the chips. I'm scared.
Got the chips.
All right. So I got us some milk. I got whole milk.
Yeah,
whole milk.
We only half milk,
2%,
quarter,
one, none of
milk,
that.
soy milk.
Milk is supposed to help with the heat. Supposedly, I never had nothing this hot. Have you ever had something this hot?
No,
I know you.
I don't even eat hot food.
Everyone don't even eat hot food. So please pray for my brother. So yeah, we got whole milk to help with the heat. Then I got us some lifesavers to help with the taste.
Tell them why you got the lifesavers.
Because see, I figured our tongue might go numb, you know, and so I figured the lifesavers will help save our life. So that's what I just put two and two together, lifesavers.
But then I got a smart idea since we got milk. I had Pepto in the house. It say extreme coat when you drink it. So I hope this coat every part from my whole mouth to my esophagus on down. So I brought this just in case this milk ain't happen.
Oh, and I got us some Snicker ice cream bars. Cause I figured just in case regular milk won't work, maybe frozen milk will work. So that was the terminology. That was my ideology.
So,
all right.
Without further ado,
explain to us the rules, Elvo.
So they got different sizes. They got like lightweight, featherweight, and heavyweight. So I think featherweight is I think you only last like a minute or two.
Gotcha.
And then featherweight you get 5 minutes. That's what mostly everybody do is just 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
And then heavyweight is an hour plus.
Oh my God.
I don't even think I'm gonna make skinny weight because I don't think I'm gonna last 30 seconds.
I might not even make weight.
You gonna put it in there.
I'm gonna lick it. I'm gonna lick the chip.
Yeah, so.
Oh my goodness.
Move these out the way.
All right, so yeah, we're gonna move those. Oh, let's get our gloves. We gotta get our gloves because, you know, apparently we can't touch the chip. This don't sound safe at all. Okay, guys.
I don't like gloves for something I can't touch.
don't like the idea of using gloves for a chip. Normally you want to use your hands for the chips, because once you eat the chips, you can eat all the little chip sauce off your hands, like, you know, like
the Doritos
chips or yeah. But I don't know about this, Elbow. Well, let's get into it.
See, they even got an extra layer. I can't even get in it.
Right?
I'm straight in the head.
I put on 2. I ain't even playing no game. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness, this thing is. Opening this box.
I'm gonna be attempting to get on it.
All right, go.
So
cool.
I'm gonna keep my Pepto up here. It's a extra coat on here. So.
All right, so let's go. All right, so which round is what?
That's yours.
So this is it right here.
Yes, sir.
Which one is this?
There's only one chip.
Oh, it's only one chip? I thought it was.
It's a one chip challenge, not no 2.
I know, but I thought the round was in the chip. With the round.
Nah, that's how it's gonna hit you in the round.
Got you.
So you ain't gonna make it to the last.
Oh my God. Okay, so here we go.
So you see, the Lord already broke my chip in half. So he already knew I need to take half of it.
Bro, okay, so this is the first problem I've endured. The chip is black. When have you ever seen a black chip?
Both halves right here.
So how we gonna do? We just going for the whole chip?
Yeah, we're going 1, 2, 3, eat.
All right.
Okay. Are you ready?
The chip is black. Look at this, guys. It's literally like a black all
the
type.
residue on you. It say all.
Oh my God, it does.
You ready, fam?
I think.
I'm gonna count down.
All right.
1, 2.
Wait.
Y'all got scared.
Wait. You know, that was a good count. That was a good count.
Count slow.
Yeah. Just
1.1.
Okay, there we go.
1.2.
Okay.
1.3. 2, 3. Okay.
It was there.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, we good. We going for real this time. Alright, here we go.
What?
Hold on.
Okay.
Alright. God, Jesus Christ, please, Lord and Savior, please.
Goku, anybody else? Give me some Super Saiyan powers.
Shimmy God. Okay. Westbrook. Okay, here we go.
You ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh.
I didn't even swallow it yet.
Don't swallow it?
I haven't swallowed it.
Me neither. Oh my God. Okay. You swallow yet?
No.
I'm still chewing. We gotta focus, Elbow. We gotta focus. You swallow yet? I'm about to swallow. It's getting hotter as I chew. Alright, you swallow? I'm swallowing.
Alright, break it up.
Timer starts now.
Okay. Alright. Okay. That's hot. Alright.
Ooh.
I think maybe we talk. No, don't talk. Don't talk. Okay. Whew. Oh yes. Shoot.
There you go, bake it.
Okay, I gotta pour my milk. I ain't gonna drink it, but I gotta pour it. I see I'm gonna need it. You good? You gonna need some milk?
I don't need it. I'm out.
You out? You out of there? Oh my God.
I'm crying. Oh my goodness.
I'm drooling. Why is this so hot? Oh boy.
My mouth burning.
Man. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. Satan ain't no good. Woo! Oh. It's not helping?
Oh no.
Woo! Oh. 1 minute.
1 minute in.
Oh my God.
1 minute, I lost it 20.
You lost it 17 seconds.
No. Oh. It's not getting better. Like,
he's stronger than me, man.
it's not getting better. I like spicy food. It's not getting better. Like
2 minutes in.
I thought the spice would wear off, but it's not getting better. It's not. Woo. Oh.
I'm trying to get my throat.
Oh. Fuck.
My what?
God. My nose might start bleeding any moment. Oh my God. This was a terrible idea. Whew.
I agree.
I feel like my face getting numb. I think my face getting numb. Where I'm at?
You know, almost 3 minutes.
Oh my God.
Three minutes in.
Oh my God.
Take it.
I got to. Wait, I think I can go. Oh. Don't you faint. Who is hot? It is hot. Oh, this shit hot. Oh my God. Why did I do this? It's getting hotter. Oh my God. Oh. Fuck.
This does not happen.
Who made this chip?
The devil himself.
Oh my God. Where we at?
Almost 4 minutes.
Oh my God. I'm drooling. You hear me? I'm like, I'm drooling, bro. Like, oh, I should have got a gallon.
4 minutes in.
Oh my God. Guys, it's not getting better, guys. Oh.
You're almost there, babe.
Oh.
You gotta do it for
What's the max?
5.
Oh.
Hour plus.
Oh. I know that's the max, but where everybody ended?
5
Oh my God.
or under.
Oh. Where am I? Am I at 5?
5 minutes just in.
Oh shit.
5 minutes. You good? You good? Go do your thing.
Oh.
Oh boy,
I want to do 6. I can't even count it, just split. Oh, it's hot. I'm so hot. I swear it's so hot, Big Q, so hot. Oh my God. Okay. About at 6. I don't think I can.
I don't.
I'm struggling to get the. Where am I?
I bet you my rap shirt.
Halfway to 6.
It is so hot. Like I swear, I feel
can't
like
breathe.
I feel like my face getting numb. I
I can breathe, but I just can't breathe in.
My face is getting not like I can't even talk. Not my face, my breath. Like I feel like I'm running out of breath slowly but surely. I feel like my face going numb. My tongue, I can't even feel my tongue no more at this point.
You should crazy.
Oh my God. Are we at 6?
You should be at 6 there.
We at
6
6.
minutes in.
Oh. I have to tuck my lips in while eating the ice cream because the ice cream makes my lips cold.
Huh? Yeah, I thought my mouth would just keep getting water in.
Yeah, it's hot. Guys, this is hot. This is up there. No, it ain't even up there. This is the hottest thing I ever had in my life, guys.
Yeah, ice cream happen?
Uh-huh.
No.
But when you eat it, you gotta like tuck the lip in with it. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh. That's hot. This is good idea. The ice cream did help. You okay over there, Bo? Miserable.
A little bit. a little bit miserable.
Guys, it is hot.
I'm throwing them other boxes away.
It's like
Oh, need this one.
I think
Thought I could take it.
it's starting to ease up now,
Mm-hmm.
but it's still hot. Like my lips is hot. Like my lips getting hot. My tongue is hot, but it's starting to be like okay. It's still there though. Like it's like as soon as I stop talking, it start burning again.
It's really better. Ice cream is helping though.
It does help.
Ice cream is helping. That's how your milk. You just drink it out the cart.
Man, it is hot.
So
Okay,
they probably take a half a gallon for 2 people.
guys.
A half of this for me, and the half of the rest of his.
Guys, this chip is hot.
When you seen the video, you see me drinking the shit. I mean, stuff out this milk.
If y'all gonna try this challenge, beware.
Let me take half a chip, quarter.
Quarter of a chip, half a chip. It's still hot, guys. Like, it's not going away. It's getting better, but it's still hot. And so, I say, this was our 1 chip challenge.
My last chip challenge. 1 and 1. That's it.
1 and done.
Yeah, 1 and done.
Okay. You want to close it out, Elmo?
Okay.
Okay. He said I can't.